Hey guys, today let's learn how to spoof my location on iPhone without a computer. So if you guys want to go ahead and spoof your location on the iPhone device without a specific computer, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so this is going to be pretty easy. All we need to do once we're already on our iPhone devices is to actually go ahead and utilize, of course, your iPhone device. So you can actually go ahead and use a specific application to do this, and you can actually use Alt Phone iOS Location Changer. Now this is a specific application that we could actually use, but it does need, of course, the computer for us to accomplish this. So one quick option we could actually do in order for us to spoof our location without a computer is to actually go ahead and move to a specific location wherein you want to go ahead and locate yourself to, and then once you're there, go ahead and tap on your settings and search for the location services. And once you're already here, let's go ahead and just turn off location services once that is done. Now doing so will actually leave your location onto that specific location went to and turned off your location services, and wherever you go, your location will stay there, and that is basically going to allow you to spoof your location on iPhone without a computer. Just keep in mind not to turn on location services again if you don't want to be discovered. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.